Hello and welcome to Benmarks Motors. Here today we have this beautiful 2022 Ford Puma, which is a 1 litre EcoBoost ST line. This is a petrol hybrid, manual in a lovely gunmetal grey, coming in with only 11,128 miles on the clock. It's had one main dealer stamp with a full service history. MOT is due June 25. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. No scuffs or marks on any of the alloys. Which are a lovely 18-inch and suit the car very, very nicely. Moving inside. Come with all electric windows, electric mirrors, light settings along with your cruise control and speed limiter. It's a manual adjustable front seat with lumbar support. And as you can see, 11,128.6 miles there on the clock, showing the hybrid gauge. You can also change all the settings on here as well with the steering controls, which also has your hands-free, cruise control, limiter, and the main menu there as well for the dash. And with touchscreen, with your Sat-Nav, radio with all your different sources, along with Bluetooth audio as well. Hands-free, as mentioned, your Sat-Nav. Also connects other mobile apps there as well as all your other settings. Dual zone climate control. And down here as well, this is a wireless charger. So if you put your phone in there, it will charge your phone there as well. 12-volt socket and USB. Mentioned is a manual with 6 speed. Also comes with 2 keys, manual handbrake with the auto start stop, traction control, and your driving mode settings. Normal, eco, sport mode, AC, trail, and your normal driving mode there as well. There's 2 cup holders, as well as armrest with a little bit more storage under there as well, with a Type-C charging port. As you can see, it's got plenty of space there as well. And get in the back, got privacy glass on the back, electric windows. 60-40 split on the back seats with adjustable headrests. A little bit of net there as well on the back of the seats. A little bit more storage. As you can see, it's in very, very good condition. No marks, tears or rips anywhere on any of the seats. And opening the boot to a very generous size. Got plenty of space, and with the added extra, a little bit more storage space there underneath as well. It's a very lovely car, very nice drive, smooth, comfortable, and again plenty of space. And with it being a hybrid, it does also have the extra boost there as well for when you need it. Again, manual adjustable passenger seat with lumbar support again. There we are. Beautiful 2022 Ford Puma 1 litre EcoBoost ST line model. petrol hybrid, manual in grey, 11,000 miles, comes with 2 keys and 12 months warranty. Thank you for watching.